Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I'll be talking about the parts of a router. When taking a look at the parts of a router, I first want to talk about the motor here. The motor is what slides into the fixed base. On the motor, there is a detachable cord set, and this will plug into the fixed base. On the base, we also have a fixed cord which will plug into the wall. To install the motor, it turns in a clockwise fashion, and you'll see the blade come out on the other end. Next, we have the locking lever adjustment, which will lock the motor into the fixed base. Over here we have the D handle, which is what you'll hold on to. On the other side, we have a trigger lock, which is this little button. And what that does is when you pull the trigger in, you push the trigger lock and it will hold the button in the on position.